Haitian political history, the failed coup of June 28 to 29, 1958 and the creation of the VSN. This translation was brought to you by Gesner Deslandes, translating from Haitian Creole to English. Date, June 28 to 29, 1958. The failed coup against François Duvalier and the birth of the Tonton Makout. In the night of June 28 to 29, 1958, a significant event unfolded in Haitian history involving several officers in the Haitian army. Alix Pasket, who had children with Michel Benet, had previously been fired from the Haitian army. Along with other bourgeois figures in Haiti at the time, Pasket and his group accepted that François Duvalier had been elected president by the people. However, they soon attempted to overthrow Duvalier through a coup. Pasket and his team entered the Caserne Dessalines, which was then located directly in front of the Haitian National Palace. They ordered Duvalier to leave power. In response, Duvalier took his microphone and called upon the Haitian people who had voted for him. He told them to inform Pasket and his team of what he was going to do with those who wanted to prevent him from changing their lives. Pasket and his team failed in their coup attempt. They were subsequently executed by Duvalier. In an ironic twist of fate, after Pasket's execution, his wife Michel Benet was left with children. Claude Duvalier's son, Jean-Claude Duvalier, later married Michel Benet Pasket. She then conceived 2 more children for Jean-Claude Duvalier. Following the failed coup, Duvalier created the VSN, Volontaires de la Sécurité Nationale, the National Security Volunteers. This organization became widely known as the Tonton Makout. Thousands of voluntary Haitian civilians joined this presidential militia to protect Duvalier's power against both national and international enemies, something that previous presidents had not known how to do. Duvalier did not trust the Haitian army, which had been formed and created after the 1915 occupation by the Americans. That army, along with a few bourgeois figures at the time, believed they could stage coups against any president whenever they wanted, particularly those who did not follow their lead or who had never evolved or innovated in anything. This mindset was a significant part of Haiti's political history. This translation was brought to you by Gesner Deslandes, Engineer-in-Chief at globalinternet.py. If you found this translation helpful, please consider supporting our work. Your donation helps us continue providing accurate, professional translation services for historical documents, speeches, interviews, and more. Support our translation services. Mobile phone donate via Prism Transfer, 509 4738 to 5663. Email delandes78@gmail.com. Globe with Meridian's website, https://globalinternetctp-abh7v6tnmskxxnapldcgk.streamlit. App/ Contact info. Mobile phone 509 4738 to 5663, Moncash/Prism Transfer. Email delandes78@gmail.com. Globe with Meridian's website, https://globalinternetctp-abh7v6tnmskxxnapldcgk.streamlit.app. globalinternet.py, connecting the global market with our expertise.